Today I want to show you my heat and sun resistant. So one of these咁咧就想俾你睇下我屋企而家邊啲係最耐曬同埋耐熱㗎。This week it's over 100 degrees. Look at these purple flowers. So beautiful. A lot of flowers. You see this? Still blooming. So beautiful. Really big. So here another purple one. Wow. Look at that. Is that gorgeous? So this is summer bloom, I think. In Las Vegas, it is summer. Really hot. Today is over 100 degrees. 108, I think. Look at that. Here, it's a lot of flower. Almost open. 4 years, these roses. It's really big. Here's the name. Look at this. This little climbing roses is this. This in color. This. How cute. This same as Ip Thai. Nice. Another one is this. This one is really gorgeous. 生得好大啊！呢棵係我屋企今年係第2年，有啲間條，開花係好多嘅。不過咧，我係摘晒嘅咧，我未修剪，但係咧係摘咗佢。咁等佢開完之後咧，再統一修剪。啊！我呢棵都開咗咯喎，呢棵係今年入㗎。David Austin Roses James Galway 呢棵咧，我係之前有剪過。其實咧，真係冇必要剪，因為你剪咗之後咧，都係生翻一支出嚟。嗰支仲弱添，比之前嗰支仲弱，係2級支。你睇下剪咗一支咧，佢都係生一支，佢係唔會再生，唔會生2支出嚟。開咗一朵花，無香啊！好多層喎，真係咁熱嘅天，佢都開得出嚟，真係唔錯。OK, keep moving。好啦，呢棵粉嘅啦，就係 Leonardo da Vinci。開幾朵啦，都唔係好多，唔成波。呢棵而家都好高㗎啦，呢棵差唔多到牆頭啦。呢棵係我個小花園都係種咗有2年。啊！呢棵啦真係好靚啊！呢棵一定要推薦啊！哇！你睇下呢啲花，呢度一支， 呢度一支幾多朵 ？1 2 3 4 5 6 6朵啊！呢度 so beautiful silver lining. This is just one. How nice! It's my favorite. I want a whole garden is plant all silver lining. Angel face, hot cocoa, new dawn. So beautiful. Look at this. 呢棵呢就係我屋企唯一嘅兩棵樹玫瑰。佢唔係好高嘅咋，即係1.2米高啦，好似。你睇下，即係要遠睇啦，睇整體嘅花，因為你近睇咧就好多殘花啊咁樣。你要係遠睇咧係比較有層次感啊，遠睇係比較好啲。因為你一個花園欣賞嘅花咧，你唔可以棵咁近睇。我而家仲未修剪，可能要等下個星期啦。因為聽日要返工啊，咁我下個星期休息咗修剪。因為佢呢度有開啦，嗱呢度咧又有花苞呢度，所以咧你要等佢開晒先做一齊修剪。So beautiful. How nice. Here, this one is compassion. Look at this, a lot of flower buds. This is one. I have to say this one, true love. Look at the flowers. Almost same as spring blooming. So nice. Look at that. 呢棵真係好優秀，超級耐熱耐曬。而家第二波嘅花應該都屬於夏花啦，比春花細啲，但係都係成波，都唔細，就係咁樣。呢棵打開咗呢朵。Alright, thank you guys for watching. Hope you have a nice day.